Can you teach me some classic Little Mix choreography?
Right now?
Yeah, right now.
We do like the classic, hey, get your back off the wall. That's quite easy, isn't it?
Okay, yeah, that's good.
That.
It's also like quite good if you're cold.
Yeah, exactly. And then that, I don't think we've ever done that before, but if you want to invent that, we do Sweet Melody. We go do 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 do.
Oh, wait, hang on.
You like flick your head.
Okay, can I do it?
Do 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 do.
Because my hair is very flat, it doesn't move.
That's all right.
It doesn't really have much life.
You know, sometimes it's good to give a good head bang. Yeah, look, wow.